Network Club, and welcome back to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. I've been out for a week now with an ear infection, so my ear is still blocked right now. But we're gonna still go ahead and jump in some of these trades and take a look at the opportunities we have. So I'll see you guys right after this break. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another show, to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So we're gonna go in and dive into the market right now and see the opportunities we have. And first thing we're going to start off is the Aussie CAD. As you can see, I already have it on my charts. So, and I believe what trades are we in? We're in the US CAD, right? That's the only one we're in so far, and we're holding on that one. Okay. So let's take a look at the other one. So Aussie CAD. Right now, I like where Aussie CAD is sitting. You can see it's sitting at the floor right now. And this is a valid low too, as you can see. What am I looking at? I'm looking at the 1 hour here. So going to the 50-minute, you can see right here, looking at my MACD at this downtrend right here. This was the lowest point right here. So we have a low right here, a valid low, and price came to this low and tested it. Okay, and fortunately, we didn't get in early enough. It's starting to move up a little bit. It could be a little late, but let me see here. Let me see where all the liquidity is at here. I like to look for liquidity. So there's a lot of liquidity over here. And let's see how much room do we got here. So we do go for 20 pips for price to move all the way up there. Would it be too late to get in this? Possibly. Possibly too late. We can go ahead and skip this one right now. Maybe come back to it at the end here and see what the other ones have to give us. Let's go to the Euro US dollar here. All right, Euro US dollar, we can see on a little downtrend here. Are we getting a little breakthrough here? Let's see here. So the last previous high is over here, so we still got a lot of room for price to get up there. Looks like price broke its low here. But we're on a downtrend, so we're waiting. We're waiting. Let's see what the 1 hour is doing here. So yeah, we're pretty on a slow downtrend here on the 1 hour. So looking at the 50-minute time frame here. And this is the euro. This is your US dollar. Okay. So euro US dollar. We could possibly take a look at this one at the end 2 year. So let's go move to, and the US CAD we're already in. Okay. US CAD is having a nice little dip right now, and I believe we're buying. So hopefully once price gets close to the floor range right here, we'll get a turnaround. Let's see here. Now going back to the Euro US dollar. I was talking to FxBigDog, and he thinks it's a good idea to buy on the euro US dollar. Okay. Now we got a little breakthrough. Oh, look at that. Okay, look at that. We got a nice candle just broke through right there. And so with the euro US dollar here at the low here, we're kind of at this consolidation zone right here. So we are at a demand zone. As you know, I like my supplies and demands. This is a nice little demand zone that price is at. So let me turn this green. So since we're sitting at a nice demand zone, a nice good support, we got a nice green candle breaking through this trend line right here on this falling wedge. Let's go ahead and buy on the euro US dollar. All right, euro US dollar. Let me just double check. I'm a little off today with my ears, so just double check euro US dollar. Okay, euro US dollar. Let's do it. Let's go ahead and buy. Okay. All right, now let's go to the CAD Swiss. Back to the CAD Swiss. Got some old data here that I could delete. Let's just take a look at a bigger time frame here. So we're on a nice, oh wow, we're on an uptrend here, and we're moving towards a supply zone. Okay, so we need to make this red so you can see. So moving to a supply zone here. So this is going to be a good chance to go ahead and sell. Okay, so looking at the 50-minute time frame, this is going to be a good time to sell. Now we can look at these valid lows to see when price is really going to break. So we got the last one right here is that's not the one I want to use. Let me use this one. So last valid low right here would be here. So when price comes and breaks back down here, that's when we're going to get a huge big run. But by the time price even gets there, it might be even 20 pips. Let me see here. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and sell. We're at the supply zone. There's a lot of room for price to drop back down here. And the CAD Swiss. Let's take a look at the CAD Swiss here. CAD Swiss. Let's go ahead and sell on the CAD Swiss. Okay. If you guys are brand new, and you guys want to know what trading tool I'm using right here, we have this on our website in the starter membership pack. Go ahead and check out our starter membership on our website. And this, if you guys are looking for these trade signals, it's all in the description below. So if you go ahead and check the description below, you can get these trading signals that we place in the trading show for free as of right now. And also, I'd like to pull up a video here brought to you by our sponsor, ACAP. There it is, guys. If you guys are looking to sign with a broker, there's ACAP. If you guys are interested in that, the description is below. And the link is in the description below. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check that link out, and go ahead and check out ACAP. All right. Good morning, Joseph. All right. So where were we at? We just did the CAD. We just went short on CAD Swiss. And then also in the beginning, we went long on the Euro US dollar. Okay. So the next one we're going to take a look at here is the New Zealand CAD. Okay. New Zealand CAD. So looking at the 1 hour here on the New Zealand CAD. Let me just pull this up real quick here. Good morning, Todd. All right. New Zealand CAD. Let's get rid of this old data. So here's another demand zone here. You can see prices sitting at demand zone. So this is another easy buy right here. We got a little falling wedge. Price could turn around and easily get 20 pips. See if I can go back to the 15-minute time frame here. So here's the 15-minute time frame. We're in this falling wedge. See if I can zoom in here for you guys. Struggling with my charts today here. That's a little too much. All right. So my MACD. All right, so got this falling wedge. We're in this supply zone. Sorry, demand zone. Let me make this green because it confused me too. Like that green there, so we can see we're in a nice demand zone. And waiting for price to just break through a nice trend line here, break through a nice valid high, and we get a nice turnaround. But we're only looking for 20 pips. So when we're at support and resistance, we buy at the floor. Okay, we buy at support, and we sell at resistance. Okay, and right now we're at support, so we're gonna go ahead and buy on New Zealand CAD. And the strategy we use is when we have a correction, is we cost to average, and price always comes back to test where we originally got in the zone right here. And as we cost to average, we'll finally get to our target as price keeps dropping. Okay, and then we get that test, that resistance that comes back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and buy on the New Zealand CAD. So New Zealand CAD, let's go ahead and buy. All right, so we're long on the New Zealand CAD, we're long on the Euro US dollar, and we're short on the CAD Swiss. Now the US CAD we've been in, we're staying in, and we're holding. And the Aussie CAD, I said we'll come back and check it at the end. But I'm really thinking that this Aussie CAD might be a little too late to get in. Okay. Right now, like I always say, we don't have to get in every trade. So I say we just kind of hold on the Aussie CAD and just leave it alone for today. It would have been nice if we caught it as it came back over here. There's a lot of things we could do right now. You know, we could go ahead and sell and let it come back to this this floor. But I'm just gonna hold on it right now. We got 3 trades that we just got in. We're still holding on one. And you know, there's no need to jump in every trade. Okay, we take the trades that we have a lot of confidence and a lot of confirmations. So, anyways, that is it for today. Thanks for bearing with me. I haven't been feeling well. Still fighting an ear infection, but the pain is gone. Last week I was not a happy guy. I couldn't sleep for 4 days, couldn't eat. I had a serious pain that went through my jaw all the way to my ear, to my head, and it was just a continuous pain, just nonstop. So I'm on my antibiotics, I'm on my steroids, and the pain is finally gone. So I'm a little relieved with the pain, but my ear's still just completely blocked, so I could barely hear. But other than that, I am doing fine. I'm gonna live, okay? But I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow for another Pip Hunter Trading show, and I'll see you guys in the trading room tomorrow. Take care.